In the news, the Inspector General of Police, Olatunji Disu, has told the House of Representatives Ad hoc Committee investigating the activities of the purported Presidential Foreign Investment Promotion Council that a subsidizing court order prevents the police from producing Adeniyi before the panel. The committee chairman, Honorable Yusuf
This
Gatti,
is to
read the
respectfully
IGP's letter during
inform the
Wednesday's
Honorable
investigative hearing
Committee
after the
Chairman.
panel had earlier directed the police chief to produce Adeniyi for questioning.
This is to respectfully inform the Honorable Committee Chairman that suspect Matthew is currently remanded in our custody on court order. The Nigerian police force may not be able to produce the suspect as requested in view of the subsisting court order. The Nigerian police force acknowledges the constitutional oversight powers of the National Assembly and remain committed to cooperating with the committee in the discharge of its mandate. However, in this case, it will be appreciated if the reproduction warrant could be sought from the court of competent jurisdiction to enable police comply with this request.
The Federation also explained how the alleged fake agency obtained an administrative and budget code resulting in a 1.32 billion naira allocation in the 2026 Appropriation Act. The head of the Civil Service of the Federation, Esther Wolsinjak, also acknowledged that her office relied on documents later discovered to be fraudulent in granting a recruitment waiver.
Immediately I saw it, I knew it was not. Moreover, Mr. Chairman, I'm also a certified legal drafter.
So the act was not original, it was fake?
Yes, I noticed that. Well, the letter of appointment, I will not be able to say because when I looked at it, it had the State House logo, and I wasn't immediately in a position to compare with other similar letter-headed paper.
To convey the administrative code to the Permanent Secretary, State House, and not to the so-called agency.
Where is the letter?
The letter is here, sir. Conveyed to the Permanent Secretary, State House. And the idea behind this, or the justification behind this, was so that if it is not from there, the whole thing will be unraveled.
The committee subsequently adjourned its proceedings indefinitely. Meanwhile, the National Assembly Service Commission has confirmed the appointment of Ibrahim Sidi as the substantive clerk of the House of Representatives. The confirmation, contained in a letter dated July 28, 2026, was approved alongside other senior appointments at the Commission's 31st meeting. The affected officers had earlier been elevated to their positions in acting capacities.